What's up, guys?
Papakita namin
Hindi, magbabasa tayo ng scary chat.
history.
So, let's start. Hook stories. Help, Cam. I'm trapped inside the car. Haha, good one. Lol. And it's moving.
Sorry,
Sorry,
nice
nice.
try, but you're
Still late for class. Where are you? That's what I keep trying to tell you. I'm trapped inside Stella. Oh, sino si Stella? Let me get this straight. You're saying you're late for class because you took the props self-driving car prototype out of a spin and straight up went through. Yes, I was testing Stella and suddenly sped off with me locked inside. Why is that so hard to believe? I hate to break it to you, but cars do not grand theft auto themselves. GTA. Stella is not a normal car. The AI has become sentient. Para siya naging transformer. It has a mind of its own. Ha, then this is a next level BS excuse for ditching class. I'm dead. Serious Cam. You have to help me. BRB, Tucker's calling. Yo, dog. You heard the news about the crazy chick? Huh? Who? Lucy, the chick you have the hats for. A, I do not have hats for her. B, she's not crazy. You sure? Because she totally stole the prop's car. What? For real? Yeah, she drove up from the lab an hour ago. Everyone's freaking out. Dude, she is so much trouble. Oh man, Tucker. I gotta go.
Ano?
What the is going on, Lucy? Campus is freaking out. People are saying you stole Stella. That's not what happened. Tucker saw you driving off in it. Lucy, this stunt isn't funny. Just bring the car back. I didn't take Stella. It took me.
Nutella?
Hindi. Si Stella kasi yung car niya. Yung pangalan ng
Akin
car
lang.
yan.
Okay, hindi.
Tapos, para siyang transformer.
Alas na.
Wait lang. Para siyang transformer pero hindi naniniwala si Cam pati yung mga kaibigan niya. It took me. Fine, I'll play along. Where are you? I'm not sure. It's dark. We just got off the highway. Near the coast. Dude, this the Bay Area. There's a lot of coast. You wanna specify? We're going up this winding road. It's like, God, it's going to sound nuts. Like the car is hunting for something or for someone. Oh, fuck. Automobiles do not hunt. La Bumblebee nga talaga story na ito. For real, we're at the top of the hill in front of some big house. A BMW is pulling out. Oh my god. BMW just sped off? I got a glimpse of the driver. He looked really frantic, panic. Look, I got work to do, so Oh no. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Please, please, slow down, slow down. Stella's chasing the BMW. This joke just isn't funny anymore. Oh my god, I think I recognize the driver. No, it can't be. Woo. I think it's the prof. Wait, for real? Yes. I'd recognize him anywhere. That's him. Might explain why he wasn't in class today. Stella's trying to knock him off the road. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Is this really happening? For the last time? Yes. This is not a joke. Why would I make this up? Okay, okay. I believe you. Can you override the AI? I'm trying. It's not working. Oh no, no, no. Stella is closing in. We're going to hit him. He's not gonna make it. No. Lucy's typing. Lucy. Lucy. What just happened? Come on, say something. The prof tried some kind of sick skid turn thing. He doubled back in the road and he got away. Now Stella's just stopped in the middle of the road like it's processing. Whoa. Crisis averted. Are you okay? I think so, just rattled. I think Stella might be confused. I don't think it's ever been outsmarted by a human before. Ooh. Confused. I can't believe this. Believe this. This so. Why would the AI try to kill the prof? A glitch? Pretty vicious glitch, man. Computers are not random. There's gotta be a reason, a logic. Crap. What? We're moving again. Just back on the Pacific Coast Highway. Oh. So, yun guys. Hintayin nyo lang yung next episode ng starring Kidnap.